So in this video, I wanted to show you as to how the software which works with more keywords. And remember that this also depends on your internet connection and your computer memory. The more the keywords you add here, the software has to do more work to multi-thread and gather the keywords. So I already showed you in the last video as to how the software worked with three keywords. So taking the example further, I wanted to show you a scenario where we enter five keywords instead of one or three. So I have entered this following five keywords. So this time, instead of choosing one or three threads, you should choose five. And once again, the process is the same. You just click the start button and the software will first start gathering the URLs for keywords. So since we have five keywords, we should see almost close to 100 URLs collected in the beginning, which will have the ads or they could have the channels. The software will then edit from the 100 results. So we might be left with 95 or 97 or 90 results depending on how many of the videos on the first page were ads or related to channels. So the software has already started harvesting. As you can see, so far it has collected 62 keywords. Now the results could be even higher than 100 because sometimes instead of 20 you could see 22 results on the page 1 because of the ads or the channels. So out of the 102 results, the total number of results were 98. So once again the software will start the process of harvesting all the titles and the tags for all of these 98 results. I will pause this video and resume when the software has harvested the results of the tags, because I wanted to show you what if a video has no tags. And this is really important from an SEO point of view, because if a video has not optimized for the tags, you can easily beat your competition. It is one of the ways. Okay guys, the software has finished harvesting all the titles and the tags for our chosen. So here you can see that whenever there is no tags, the software will show you that the video has no tags. Like we can see that several of these videos don't have any tags in them. And I'll show you also the actual video and and how the software detects that the video has no tags once it finishes this process as well. I also wanted to tell you that when you have multiple keywords, the software may not harvest all the titles in the order. So in the first case, the software has taken the keyword finance and harvested all the titles, but you can see immediately that it is going to the keyword movies, and then it is going to farming instead of baking or fiction, and baking is coming here in this order, and towards the end we have fiction. Now this is because the software is multi-threading, so whatever the software is performing a multitask, so whichever keyword it goes and it gathers first, it will display that. So it doesn't really go in order because it is trying to speed up the process and execute all of these processes at the same time, because otherwise if it had to go in a sequence, it would take even more time to do the process of harvesting for over 100 URLs in YouTube. And in on the first video I had mentioned that many a times in the maximum thumbnails you may even see the default thumbnails depending on the video. So this maximum thumbnails will majority consist of the maximum thumbnails, but many a times it can have the default thumbnails as well, but the default thumbnails will always contain the default thumbnails only, default size. So guys, the software has finished doing all the process. It has also saved the CSV file. Now, because I didn't start a new project, all the results got overwritten on the food project. So it's always a good idea to start a new project every time you are doing the harvesting. So I wanted to show you the situations where the software is saying that the video has no tags and how we can cross-check the same. So this video with the title National Geographic Science Fiction, it has no tags. So if we click the view page source button and look for, it is not optimized for the tags or the keywords. And let me also show you this for maybe another video which has not optimized. So this one again. So as you can see that doing this process manually can get very tedious. And if we click the view page source again, as you can see that this video has also not optimized for the tags. So what if we choose a video which has optimized for the tags? So let us say that we choose this video which seems to have a very good title and optimized tab. So you can see that title has hand soap slime test and the tags is beginning with hand soap slime. So we can cross check this video. So as you can see that this video is optimized and the software is showing you the exact results, hand soap slime. So now that we have tried to use the software for 5 keywords, I wanted to show you how we can use the software for more than 5 keywords. And once again, this depends on your internet connection and on your memory. So I will just clear all the results. So I have gone ahead and added 10 different keywords from 10 different niche. So anytime you have the number of keywords which are more than 5, 8 keywords or 10 keywords or even 15 keywords, you have to always choose the maximum number of threads. So we choose 5. Harvesting all the tags, titles, and it will then start harvesting the tags, and then it will go and harvest all the thumbnails. So I will let the software do the task and I'll pause the video and then I'll show you another example of where I increase the number of keywords even more. Okay guys, so while recording and editing my videos, I also was running the application simultaneously uh, in the background, and I minimized the YouTube Pro software. And I had added 5 more additional keywords in addition to the 10 keywords. So I added to the project 10, I added these keywords: waterfall, rains, summer, winter, autumn, and farming. And the software had to gather 15 multiplied by 20 over 300 keywords, and it has edited over 9 of them. And now it is harvesting all the tags. So And all this I was doing while I was editing the application. So this is just another example where I wanted to show you that it will work even with a lot of high number of keywords, and you can simultaneously perform any other task